Okay, good evening, everyone. So, welcome back. We'll be having this lecture quickly on the consequences of failure to file annual returns as a registered business in Nigeria. If you have a business, you are a CEO of a business, you have a company, limited liability company, a business name, a PLC, you are required by the Companies and Allied Matters Act to file your annual returns on an annual basis. That's why it's called annual returns. But of course, some people have a misunderstanding of what annual returns really means. First, let me tell you what annual returns is not. An annual return is not your business financial record. It is also not your business tax paper. So basically, what it means is that it's a statement by an active registered business name or company to keep the CAC updated about the company's activities, the company's composition, that is the owners, and the company's financial position. It's there simply to show that your company or enterprise is still active. So you have to notify the CAC on a yearly basis that um, we are still doing business. These are the persons in charge. This is what comes in annually. So that's basically what annual returns is. That's the reason why if you fail to file your annual return, the CAC marks you as inactive on the portal of the CAC, the database. You'll be seen and marked as inactive. Of course, the implication of marking your company inactive is that other businesses, government agencies, and individuals may cease doing business with you, because if you want to have a contract or a deal, they'll just go to the CAC portal, and when they see that your company is inactive, what it tells them is that you're not doing business or you're not a serious business. And for those who want to travel abroad and their funds is in their business account, or they want to travel on the back of their company or their business, when the embassy sees that your business is inactive simply because you have not filed your annual return, they will deny you visa straight. And I've seen several instances where clients run back and say, "Oh, they denied me visa. Please, they said it's because I've not filed an annual return." They didn't even know that there was such a thing as filing annual returns. So we had to regularize for them and all of that. So if you don't want that to happen, you have to file your annual returns every year. As a new company, a newly incorporated company, you have a grace period of 18 months from the date of incorporation to file your annual returns. So that means for the first 18 months as a new company, you're not required to file your annual returns. However, for business names, it is a grace period of 12 months before you start filing your annual returns. So now, what are the consequences of failing to file your annual returns? One, your company may be delisted. Delisted means it will be removed entirely from your database. So imagine you're operating your business and you fail to file your annual returns for years. You're still doing business, but you don't even know that you are no longer a registered company because the CAC has delisted you. All of a sudden, someone wants to invest in your company and they are doing due diligence. They find out that you're no longer there. It will be very unfortunate. So one of the consequences of not filing your annual returns is that your company may be delisted. All right. Secondly, you will pay a penalty when you eventually want to file your annual return, because truth is, if you don't file your annual return, anything you want to do with the CAC won't be possible. So if you want to change your name, if you want to increase your share capital, you want to decrease, you want to cancel shares, you want to file resolutions, you want to do anything, you won't be able to proceed until you file your annual return. And if you want to file your annual return when you are in default of some years, you will pay fees, late filing fees. So why not just file it instead of waiting for a time when you start paying fees? Another consequences is that your company will be marked inactive. And for this, you will find it difficult to apply for a government contract or a government loan, government credit facility. All right, now the penalties are fixed for late filing of annual returns. Late filing of annual returns for a small company is 3,000 naira. All right, for business names 3,000 naira. Late filing for a private company other than a small company is 5,000 naira. Hope you're taking note of that. Then late filing for annual returns for a public PLC, a public company, is 10,000 naira. Then if your company is a company limited by guarantee, the late filing fee is 5,000 naira. Now, all these amounts are in addition to what you pay for filing. So that means you will save more money if you file when you're supposed to file. Now, when are you supposed to file your annual return? Latest the 30th day of June every year. All right, the 30th day of June every year. And how can you file your annual return? It's very simple. Reach out to a lawyer. It's not very expensive. Reach out to a lawyer, and your lawyer will help you to file your annual returns. It is a yearly thing. You're expected to file your annual returns yearly so that you don't bear these consequences, and so that you don't have a situation where your company is taken off the list of registered companies to your own chagrin and to your own consternation or shock. So just do the right thing. That is what the law says, and that's the position of the law. I believe, of course, this lecture has been helpful. So just click on subscribe. You can share, ask your questions in the comment section, and like. Thank you.